In this video, we will demonstrate HashiCorp Nomad's ability to detect and expose graphics processing units using the Nvidia GPU device plugin that was delivered with Nomad 0.9. GPUs are being increasingly used for machine learning and other specialized workloads that need better performance than modern CPUs can provide. Let's take a look at how we can use Nomad's GPU support to reliably run specialized workloads on GPU hardware. For the purpose of this demo, we have a small GPU-enabled Nomad cluster running in a cloud provider. If we query the status of our Nomad client, we'll see we have a single node. And if we look at this node, we'll see the Nvidia GPU device plugin has detected a single Nvidia Tesla V100 GPU. In addition to detecting this information, we can see the device plugin has fingerprinted the device and gathered a number of different attributes about the GPU that are available to us when scheduling jobs in our Nomad cluster. To show this capability, let's look at an example job. This job deploys TensorRT, which is Nvidia's platform for high-performance deep learning inference. We can see in this job file that there are two tasks. The first task is the back-end RT server. This is a Docker image running Nvidia's TensorRT platform. Note from the multiple artifact stanzas in this job file that this task downloads a number of resources that it uses to load an example inference model that we will be using for this demo. Notice the resources stanza here, which, in addition to requesting CPU, memory, and network resources, specifies an Nvidia GPU. In the device stanza, we have specified a single Nvidia GPU with a constraint that the device have at least 4 GB of memory. We've also specified an affinity, which expresses a placement preference. The preference we have here is that the job be scheduled on a Tesla model GPU. The second task is the front end for this demonstration, running as a Docker container. This task exposes a user interface that we will use to upload photos to the inference server. It does not require a GPU, but does need the ability to communicate with the backend. We've placed this task in a separate task group. Let's go ahead and run this job. Once we run our job, we can browse to the Nomad UI, which confirms our job is indeed running. We can drill down further in the UI to verify that both the backend and front-end tasks are running. We can now visit the front end of our demo, where we will upload an image and submit it to the Nvidia inference server on the backend. Our backend will evaluate the image against the model we previously uploaded and provide us the results of the inference. In our case, we are uploading an image of a HashiCorp coffee mug. As you can see from the results, our inference server detected with a probability of about 57% that this is a coffee mug and about 43% that this is a cup. A much smaller percentage is shown for other items such as an espresso. To learn more about the Nvidia GPU device plugin, visit the device plugin section in the Nomad documentation at nomadproject.io.